Hi, good morning, children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya Digital Learning class. Hi, kids. How are you? I hope you are all safe. Yes. Before going to the topic, you should do the warm exercise. Be ready, student. Everyone, stand. Hands up. Put your hands down. 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 Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap. Stop. 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 Okay, children, sit in your places. Children, how to do division sums you should learn as see. Solve 45 divided by 5. How to do this? Tell me how to do. First of all, what you have to do? You should write the dividend and divisor as. Okay? Which one is divisor? Which one is dividend here? 5 is divisor. 45 is dividend. S. 5 is divisor. S. 45 is dividend. Okay. Now what you have to do? What you have to do? You should see this number. It will divide into 5 table or not. It will come 5 table or not. Okay. See. Say 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45. Here 9 you should write S. Here 45 you should write. Should do minus these two. Okay. See 5 minus 5. 0. 4 minus 4, 0. Understood? See, this is dividend. This is divisor. This is quotient. This is remainder. Remainder. Yes or no? See, this one is divisor, this one is dividend, this one is quotient, this one is remainder. Understood, children? Do it in the classwork, ma. See. How we will do this? Again, you should draw 36 divided by 6. S. 36 is dividend. 6 is divisor. S. We should say again tables. See, first check ones place. Here 3 is here. Here 6 is here. It will divide? No. Again what you have to do? You should check these two numbers. 36. Yes or no? 36 will divide or not? Yes, it will divide. 6 6 36. 6 you should write here. 36 you should write here. You should do the minus. 6 minus 6, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. Understood, children? What is that remainder? 0. Quotient 6. Quotient 6. Divisor. This is dividend. Divided. This is remainder. Okay? Write in the classwork. Few more sums I will give. Okay? Over. Now C1. (56) divided by 4. See here, children. Look at the board. See. Divisor 56, dividend S 4. See, 56 is here. S. First you should check 5. You can minus. You can do divide into 5. 4. Yes, you can do. 4 ones are 4. 1 you should write here. See, 4 into 1. 4. S. This 1 you should write as a quotient. This 4 you should write here. Okay. Minus 5 minus 4. Take out your 5 fingers. Minus 4. How many? 1. That 1 you should write here. Okay. Next. This 6 you should take down. Okay. Now. Say the table. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 5, 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 16 minus 16. 6 minus 6, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. See, this is quotient. This is dividend. This is divisor. This is remainder. Understood, children? What I did here? I took single digit. Ones place first I took. Okay. Ones place. Sorry. Here, first digit number I took and I divided. Understood? 4 ones are 4. I wrote here 4 here, 1 here. Yes. Next. What I did? I did minus from 5. 4. Yes. Now 1 came. After that I took down this 6. Okay. 16 came. 16 you can do divide into 4. Yes, you can do. 4 fours are 16. That's why I wrote here 4 here. See, 4 into 4 is equal to 16. Yes, this 4 I wrote here as a quotient. Again, this product. What is this product? 16. That 16 I wrote here. Understood, children? Again, I did minus. This 16 minus this 16. Remainder is 0. Understood? Next. One more sum. Okay. 26 divided by 2. See, children. What you have to do? Again, you should write 2 divisor is 2, S dividend 26, S. See, 2 into 1 is equal to 2, S. This 1, this is, you should write as a quotient. This product you should write down as 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2, 0. This 6 you should write down as, again you should see this one you can divide or not. In the 2 table 6 will come or not? Yes, it will come. 2 into 3, 6, as this is quotient, you should write here. This 6 you should write here. Minus you should do. 6 minus 6, 0. Understood, children? What I am doing here? See, you know multiplication fact and division fact. Yes or no? See, this is multiplicand, this is multiplier, this is product. In division, what will happen? That product will become dividend, S. After that, divisor, this is divisor, this is quotient. Understood? Right? You should do now. One four sums okay. See, children, do this. What you have to do? This is divisor, this is dividend. S. 2 ones are 2 into 1 is equal to 2. S. 2 ones are 2. This 1 you should write here. S. Next, this product is which number came? Product 2. That one you should write here. You should do minus from this number. S. 2 minus 2, 0. You should take down this 8. Okay. Again, you should see this. This will, in the 2, 8 will come or not? 2 into 4, 8. S. 2 4s are 8. That 4 you should write here. Again, this 8 should write down. You should do minus. 8 minus 8, 0. See, check once. This is correct answer or not? You should check. What you have to do? You should multiply divisor into quotient. Okay. See, quotient into divisor. See, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. See. Is it right or wrong? Yes, is it right? Because you check, see, you should multiply this 2, this into this. Yes or no? Automatically answer will come. Okay. Did you understand, children? First, what you have to do, you should check this number will divide or not. If will divide means you can write. Otherwise, you should take 2 numbers. Understood? See. Next. What is this? 3. This is divisor. This is dividend. S. 3 into 1. First you should check here. First. 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is equal to 3. S. This 1 you should write as a quotient. This 3 you should write here. You should minus this 2. 3 minus 3, 0. Arrow mark you should keep and you should write this number down. Okay. In the 3 table 8 will come? No, but less number will come. See, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9. Yes, 9 is big number or smaller number? Tell me. Large number is 9, but if don't write 9 because 8 is less than 9. That's why you should write 6. Yes, 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6 minus, see, 8 minus 6, 2. See here, you got remainder. Yes, remainder. You got remainder. What you have to do? You should multiply this 2. Again, we should add this. See, 12 into 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. Plus remainder. 6 plus 2. 8. This 3. What is the question? 38. Came or not? See, here 14 into 2. 28. Remainder 0. 28 only. Question. Yes. Came or not? Here remainder is there. That's why you added here remainder. Understood, children? See, 36 plus 2, 38. Yes or no? I will give some sums you should do. Okay? Try it. Try in the home. Only few sums I will give. Okay? Copy in the homework book, ma. Everyone. Sixteen divided by 2. 24 divided by 4. 18 divided by 9. 45 divided by 5. Do it. You should do. Copy in the homework book.